Alrighty guys, Pirates Adventures here, and today we're going to be opening up the basically $4 grab box that we got in Helens, Georgia. When we went there, I have forgot to open it, so here's the video. I gotta go get a knife real quick so I can open it up. So, let's see what's inside. The woman said that I bought it from said it was not fragile, so it should not be broken. So, let's see if she was correct. Okay, it might be glass, so let's see. Oh my god. Okay, first of all, I got a cup that's normally $9. Right there. $8.99, okay. Second of all, it says Helens, Georgia on it. As you can see, Helens, GA. Holy crap. I was not expecting this to be in there. They do have fragile stuff in here. I might have heard her wrong or something, but that's what's inside. So I know it was a quick video, guys, but I'm sorry about that. But anyways, guys, if you guys like this video, give me a like, subscribe to my channel, hit that little bell beside to get notified every video that I release. I release videos every 3 days, I think is how I do it. Yeah, every 3 days I release a video. And comment down below, do you want to see more grab boxes, mystery boxes, whatever they're called. But anyways, guys, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.